Hey, what's up guys? So plantar fasciitis is a huge drill or huge issue that we see in a lot of our athletes and our clients that come in here. All right, so there's three main drills that you want to do though that creates a real nice quick fix for your plantar fasciitis. All right, so the first area that we're going to attack is your calf muscle. Okay, so if you've got your calf muscle, again, is just this lower leg muscle right here. All right. Again, this calf muscle here and your plantar fascia can actually play a little bit of a tug of war type action. So we want to hit both. First one though is the calf. We're going to be right here. We're going to attack here. And so go ahead and lower your leg down for me. And then you can cross that leg up and over to add in a little extra pressure. And then you can just kind of, it's called guided freestyle essentially. So you're just going to kind of stick in that area, find this tender spot that it's kind of spicy for you, and then just kind of scrub back and forth. You want to hang out there for about 2 minutes though, okay? Don't go too much longer than that, all right? Now, the next spot that we're going to hit is your foot or your plantar fascia itself, all right? So go ahead and stand on up, Jackie. There's 3 spots that you're going to hit with your foot when you do this drill, all right? We're going to first drop right off the bottom of your heel, all right? So find your heel, that spot where it drops right off, that's where you're going to hit, all right? And then the second spot is going to be going right along this arch of your foot as well, okay? So we're going to stick here, then we're going to come down here, and then we're going to come to the top of the foot here, and we're just going to curl up on the ball and then come back down. So that's going to look like this. Go ahead and find that spot. So she's going to find the spot where it drops right off her heel. She's going to stick there. She's going to scrub back and forth, okay? Again, spend about 30 to 45 seconds here. And then she's going to, once she's done with that, she's going to roll back and forth on her foot, spending about 30 to 45 seconds there. It should be a good hurt kind of pressure, okay? You're not trying to like kill yourself or make yourself cry with this much pressure or anything. And then once she's done there, she's going to go up to her top of her foot there. She's going to press down with some of her body weight. She's going to curl those toes in. She's going to extend them up as high as she can and then back down, okay? Again, you want to accumulate about 2 minutes total here as well, all right? So that's the 2 spots for that kind of address this issue here. Now, one more that you want to address is that big toe. That plantar fascia actually goes up and attaches right below that big toe. So we want to, and can really be limited, dorsiflexion of this big toe can really be limited by that plantar fascia, all right? So the way you're going to do it is you're going to just simply grab your toe, kind of push it up here, and then you're just going to apply a light pressure down, okay? You can kind of do this on your own. So Jackie is going to kind of demonstrate that. She's just going to grab her toe. Again, putting her thumb pressure right at the base of her big toe, okay? And then from there, she's going to gently push down and kind of pull up at the same time. So she's almost providing a little bit of a flexion component to it as well, or dorsiflexion component, all right? So guys, those are the 3 drills to do to attack your plantar fasciitis. Go ahead and try that out. If it doesn't work, go ahead and click our blog post below and see if you can get any drills from there. And if that doesn't help, come in and see us at Athletes Potential. Thanks.